everyone, Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just bringing back some nostalgia, making beetroot and tomato and onion salad. It's very famous in our Anglo-Indian homes. So you could just follow these simple directions and make your beetroot salad in any way that you like. Keep watching. So first of all, you'd need 3 or 4 medium-sized beetroots. You could wash them well under a tap. Let it remove all the dirt. Then boil the beetroots in sufficient water till tender. It will take some time, but wait till it's tender. Then once it's tender, you remove and keep aside and slowly start peeling the skin off and cutting the top so that your beetroot is now without the skin. If you like, you could also use a knife to remove the skins if the beetroots are too hot. So now you can see that your beetroot is cleared of the skin. Okay, now you cut off the top of each beetroot and then you slice the boiled beetroot either into slices or into chunks, whichever shape or whatever you would like to chop your beetroots into. So you could serve it plain or just with sliced onions and a little vinegar and salt, or you could arrange it like this with tomatoes and onions, onion rings and green chillies. Just sprinkle a little salt on the top. So if you like this video, please like and share it, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.